Okay, let's touch on operators. Operators are the things within Python that we use to assign values and to manipulate values, essentially. So to assign values, what we're doing is we're saying that each variable, each bit of data that we declare, that is a space in the computer memory. And we can assign a value to each space in the memory. So in this case, I have the declaration, my name, and then I have the equals character, and then I have Rachel in double quotes. So if we break that down, what am I doing? I'm saying my name, that's the name for my variable. That's how I'm going to refer to it from now on. Equals means becomes, which means I'm going to assign something. So the thing on the right side is assigned into my name. So my name becomes Rachel. Rachel is set up with double quotes because I'm saving that as text. And you can see that I've got a little space just in here before and after the equals. White space doesn't mean anything. I can use it to lay out my code or my program in a way that makes it easier for me to read. So it's a bit of good practice just to put that little space either side so that it makes it more readable. Arithmetic operators then are things we've all seen from high school maths. You can add, subtract, multiply, and divide as a start point. So the way that we create each of these is that we have plus is our addition, minus is the dash next to the 0 character usually. Multiplication is a star above 8, so it's a star. And division is a /. So if I want to do something like add 10 plus 2 together, I can do that using the plus operator. And if I print that out, what will print into the console is 12. If I did 10 /2, that would be 10 divided by 2, and it would output 5. And then we can combine lots of these together in the same way that we might have done for maths at some point in time. And we can do lots of arithmetic operations. So let's say I want to calculate, I have a class of 4 people, I've had a test, this is 4 percentage scores, and I want to calculate the average grade that my class has. So I've created my 1, 2, 3, 4 values. I then create a new variable called average grades, and inside that I'm going to store the number, the average number. So grades at position 0, 90, plus grades at position 1, 56, plus grades at position 2, 85, plus grades at position 3, 69. So all of them added together, I've got brackets on either side here to tell me that add all of those together and then divide it by 4. And then print out my average grades. So in this case, I've got the addition and the division operator being used together. So we can combine them to do more complicated things, which is going to be very important when it comes to analysing data.